Yeah, the idea come up when I saw for the first time RGB protocol, and I was really inspired about that because it's new shifting paradigm comparing to whatever we saw in the blockchain space before. So instead of relying to the some nodes to validate your state, you're just validating your data internally on the client side, and it provides privacy. And I always was focusing on privacy and was concerned about the privacy, and I think it's a best tool for fighting for this privacy, to leverage Bitcoin security and validating your data which you care about locally. It's like best possible solution for that. So that's why yeah, I decided to start ThunderStack company because primarily my experience relates to the infrastructure, like enterprise level infrastructure and security. So that's why I just decided to apply all my knowledge to help RGB to succeed and to scale. Yeah, we're building toolbox with the building blocks to facilitate RGB applications development. So our tooling can be used by businesses which are going to use RGB to have programmability over Bitcoin and to have privacy, like issue some smart contracts and have privacy. So we're just simplifying this for the businesses and for the regular users to just use our tools like building blocks which resolve all complexity and abstract the way to use like RGB and Lightning network. Well, we already have integration with the Tribe wallet. It's a Bitcoin wallet with support of RGB, where you can issue a smart contract, and it's integrated with the Lightning network, and it's leverage one of our to launch Lightning node with RGB support and offer users to receive and send payments in the RGB assets. Yeah, as I mentioned, we have several tools which solve different issues, and all of them it's just a simplified way to program whatever you want. Actually, it's the beauty of RGB is that it's like Turing complete programmability, so you can program anything you want directly on Bitcoin and exchange information between different people who and not publish even somewhere. It works exactly the same as we usually deal with documents and contracts in the real world, but it's just a digital way and proper way to do the same kind of thing, but like over internet and over like using P2P cash, which is Bitcoin is supposed to be always. Yeah, let's start from the scratch. So we have foundational level. It's a cloud service which we're taking responsibility to launch the infrastructure like Bitcoin nodes, Lightning nodes, RGB libraries, and etc. And we are like managing updates. We are managing infrastructure because yeah, for developers and businesses it's complicated to do everything, to hire people to do this. We're providing like service. Yeah, this is a service, so it's kind of SaaS company. So the second and SaaS product. The second thing, the second building block on top of the cloud is Lightning as a service. It's a library and API which actually provide you possibility, you as a wallet developer, for example, like Tribe wallet or Exchange or like any application developer, you can spin up on fly the Lightning node for your end user, and start and offer him possibility to send and receive RGB assets or exchange any like smart contract data between parties. Yeah, the second thing is just, as I mentioned, RGB is a client-side validation protocol, and it requires you to like own your data and care about it. If you lose your data, you lose your state, and you like there is no place where you can get it back. So it's like your responsibility, and it could be challenging for some of the people. That's why we like taking responsibility for that. So we specially designed the protocol to back up the data and provide the possibility to the users to restore it anytime with help of your seed phrase to maintain the same level of UI UX as users used to in the Bitcoin. And the second, actually the last protocol is ThunderLink. It's our latest development. It's kind of top-level abstraction, which provide you interface to simply add RGB support to any website even. If you, for example, just like merchant and going to sell some product or service and want to accept RGB payment, you don't need to manage any infrastructure, liquidity, or something like that. You just adding support of ThunderLink. It's just SDK which works with our backend service, and leverage like RGB integration in your application or website or store. And at the same time, it maintains non-custody. So the merchant handles the keys, and we handle all complexity, all RGB versions, updates, security patches, and etc. So yeah. Yeah, that's about our product suite.
Nice.
Yeah, first of all, yeah, we are going to release to the mainnet soon with RGB mainnet support release, which is going to be pretty much soon. So we currently we're running on the testnet, and all of our tooling is ready to use. But yeah, we're going to release a new version with mainnet support. The second milestone would be improve non-custody for our protocols, like Lightning as a service. Currently, we are researching the way of adding remote signer support to RGB Lightning node to have full non-custody for RGB Lightning network through our service. And yeah, we're going to integrate our ThunderLink with the wallets and applications which already start to to explore this product. So we're going to focus on this currently, because it's it could be used even without Lightning, just through the Bitcoin layer 1. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.